Aurizon is Australia's largest rail freight operator, 150 years old in total, but 5 years since IPO. We are predominantly, of course, in the commodity business, delivering so much of Australia's export commodities, most notably coal, but iron ore and others. But we also, importantly, of course, own and operate the critically important Central Queensland coal network, some 2,700 kilometres of track and all of the associated operations. And in addition to which we operate right through Australia, an integrated freight and logistics operation for our customers. It was a challenging year from a financial point of view for us. So, for example, our EBIT as well as our revenue was down roughly 10%. However, that disguised a number of, I think, very important initiatives and outcomes. So, for example, a year in which we had 0 lost time injuries from a safety point of view, a year in which our cash flow, our free cash flow, improved by 35%, a year in which we delivered $131 million of transformation benefits, again underlining the capability that this organisation has to be able to improve through its transformation initiatives. Again, board committed to a 100% payout of underlying NPAT for the final dividend and further committed to a 70 to 100% payout ratio going forward. It means, by the by, that during the year we returned in excess of $830 million through dividends and buybacks to our owners. Which in turn means that we've returned more than $3.2 billion over the last 5 years to our owners. The coal sector in Australia has been through what are, on so many dimensions, a challenged period of time. Our customers have certainly been under the pump. We've seen a significant stabilisation though, particularly in the last 6 months or so, on the back of their own cost-cutting initiatives, on the back of supply chain initiatives, as well as on price. I believe that the demand side of the equation remains very strong. When you think about the North Asian and Indian subcontinent demand, both for metallurgical coal and thermal coal, notwithstanding that we do believe that there will continue to be the rise of renewables, in absolute terms, the requirement for coal, particularly for Australia's high-quality coal, will see the underwriting of demand in this space for some period of time yet. Our biggest challenge is to continue to be able to drive the efficiency in the business, to continue to be able to really every day deliver as well as we possibly can for the customers, which goes to things like our operating performance, our on-time performance, etc. In turn, though, that's what generates the opportunities for us. We've seen a number of recent contract wins. As the tonnages continue to increase over time, as we come out of this more troubled period, then there will be more and more opportunity for growth in that sector as we go forward. As always, the number one focus is safety. We've taken the business from, frankly, and also ran in the safety space to being, if not at, certainly approaching world-class levels. So everything is about safety. It's about a cultural and leadership journey in the business, which is all about capability. And our capability, of course, particularly in the kinds of markets that we're operating in, is so much driven by transformation. So continuing to keep the foot on the accelerator around delivering those transformation benefits is absolutely the name of the game.